The biometric registration of public servants took off in earnest in various government ministries in Nairobi as well as the Nairobi City County. President Kenyatta, who is at the coast, was registered at State House, Mombasa. And he sought to explain why the exercise was important.
This exercise will go a long way towards eliminating the issue of ghost workers, because this has been a big concern for government, but also not just for government, for the citizens of this republic who are the taxpayers.
Other than taming the wage bill, the unpopular question of redeployment of public servants is an option the government will consider after the process ends in October.
So this exercise is also supposed to help us to do staff rationalization, audit of skills for the purpose of ensuring, determining, do we need certain categories of staff? If we do not need, then it may be necessary to work out a program, because we would also have to appreciate these are Kenyans and we do not want to just throw any Kenyan away, but come up with a program as to how they can be helped to ease out of the government but still be able to continue meeting their own livelihood.
President Uhuru Kenyatta and the Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero, who was also registered in his Nairobi County office, assured public servants that the registration exercise was not a witch hunt process.
This is not an exercise that is aimed at punishing anybody. This is not an exercise that is aimed at victimizing anybody. I call upon all public servants to participate willingly. It is in their interest, as much as it is in the people of Kenya's interest, for us to be able to know exactly who works for the Kenyan government.
I wish to take this early opportunity to assure all county workers that this exercise will be undertaken with utmost professionalism, and due diligence has been done to ensure that the exercise complies with all the necessary legal and constitutional provisions and requirements.
Public servants are expected to produce, among other things, original birth certificates and first letter of appointment, followed by an electronic signature. These documents will then be verified before a passport photograph as well as fingerprints are taken. The public servant is then provided with an electronic identification card.
If an officer is missing such a document, we can, and he has access through the head of human resource to his file where these documents normally are kept.
According to the Planning Principal Secretary Peter Mangiti, the registration process will be conducted through directorates in the various ministries, one after the other, in order not to interrupt public service delivery. On Sunday, the Union of Kenya Civil Servants endorsed the CAPS program, which they hope will address cases of civil servants who have acquired higher education but are yet to be promoted or have their salaries raised. Kubasu for Monday Special.